Hi, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam, founder and CEO of Career Mudra. So yesterday we have seen about the competitors analysis. We have to take care of the serious action against our customers and how they are doing and what they are posting on Instagram or any social media for that matter, right? So actually for that, for doing those kind of activities, we have a lot of tools. I mean, to analyze our competitors, competitors analyzing tool. There are a lot of tools. There are top 10, top 11, top 13 tools, top 20 tools, or top. I mean, there are n number of applications are there. Okay, so you can see, maybe in my Instagram post very soon you can see a lot of those posts as a post. I mean, kind of an image you can see later today or tomorrow. And before going to take any kind of an action, we need to analyze, we need to get some metrics out of our competitors analyzers. Okay, so why we have to go for and how to take an action and what all the data we need to consider. So from these kind of analysis tool, what all, how their contents are looking, how they are posting, I mean the frequent posting, how they are doing it, and what about their post, whether going, I mean the users or their the audience mindset or the sentiments of audience. We need to analyze those kind of metrics. This is very, very important. So this aspect, in this aspect, we have to go and take an analysis and take a metrics, and also we need to make an action plan. So this is called a data driven approach. So whenever you are, I mean, we have a business and we are going to start and we need to have a content and all these things. Having all these things into place, again we need to analyze. The tough part is we need to analyze our competitors. It is very need of the hour. So because we need to have how the strengths are, how obvious and how our competitors are in the market. So we need to look at the opposite person's strengths, how they are doing it, and for that we have to equip ourselves, we have to learn ourselves, and we have to be ready to approach the market. So that is why we need to have a competitor analysis. So without knowing our competitors, it is very tough to get the followers and approach the followers and retain the followers. It is very, very important fact. So by doing so, what is the course of actions? So by looking at all the metrics as just said, how the frequently they are posting, what is their post, and what is the mindset of their followers, how many likes and how many comments are giving. Based on that, you will get all the reports, all the metrics out of the tools, competitor analysis tool. So you can go for any kind of a tool as you wish, right? So based on that, take an immediate action and go in the right direction. As we discussed earlier, please don't copy paste any of your competitors content or anything, so it won't work out. So you have to show your creativity by analyzing these tools, right? So in business or getting attraction in market, especially marketing your products, you have to have these kind of metrics in place. You have to have your creative team, or you should have some creativity to create or attract the your audience, your special audience. Those people are making you or judging you in future, and you have to retain them in future too, right? So we will see more on how engage by using these kind of competitive analysis metrics. So what kind of metrics we need to take into action, so we'll see one by one. Thank you so much for watching this.